method to this next magician's madness, but can Penn and Teller figure out that method? Let's find out.
When I'm in front of an audience, I have two rules. Show them something amazing, and don't take myself too seriously. Some people, when they come to a magic show, they believe that it's them against the magician. Here's a guy that is trying to fool me. And so I try to make people laugh on the first line that I say. And as soon as that happens, people let their guard down.
That's four. It's four.
And that's when I fool them.
No way.
Oh my gosh.
I'm also a voice actor.
Rated PG-13. Featuring a bold new flavor.
Tonight, I'm combining a couple of skills that I've never really combined before.
Will Brian Saint fool Penn and Teller? Find out tonight on an all-new episode of Penn and Teller Fool Us on the CW.
Please welcome Brian Saint.
Thank you, Allison. Well, thank you guys so much. You know, I did not become a magician to be famous. And so far, that's working out great. I'm not famous as a magician, but I am famous. Just nobody knows it. It's true, because besides being a magician, I am a voice actor. But ultimately, all of you hate my voice, and you don't even know it. Your call is very important to us. Please continue to hold. Hey, you think my voice is annoying when you're on hold? Think of how annoying it is when I'm on hold. But I'd much rather do something tonight that doesn't annoy you. Like an infomercial. You know why I sound so weird when I do infomercials? Because I have to sound over-the-top excited, and I have to make the product sound like it solves one of the biggest problems facing society today. Are you tired of a phone charging cable that's either too long or too short? Well, not anymore. Introducing the Cordmaster 2000, which looks just like a normal phone charger. But when you're on the go, why carry more than you need? Especially when you only need the ends to charge your phone. With the Cordmaster 2000, you can take the ends off. Giving you one small cable to carry with you everywhere. And leave the unneeded loop at home. But wait, there's more. Cable not long enough for you? If you call right now, we'll send you some extra cable so you can make any size phone charger you want. This will allow you to create a phone charger so long, it'll have your friends saying, wow, that's a long phone charger. Cut off what you need, then simply remove the cut ends. Next, take your existing ends, wrap them around the giant loop, pull slowly, and you'll even fool yourself. Wow, that's a long phone charger. But wait, there's more. Because the best thing about the Cordmaster 2000 is that you don't even need an electrical outlet to charge your phone. And we'll give you a demonstration right now using two average consumers. Watch as one of them plugs in his cell phone. Okay. While the other uses his hand to create a static charge. No plug, no problem. So if you can use static to charge your phone, why settle for anything else? Stop dealing with the stress of normal phone chargers and get the Cordmaster 2000. If you experience a phone charge lasting more than 4 hours, please consult Penn and Teller. Call today. Operators are standing by. Your call is very important to us. Please continue to hold.
That's amazing. That's really, really cool. And super duper handy.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, yeah, if you forget your charger, you could just make one.
Absolutely, right there on the spot.
Man, so are you really the hold voice?
I mean, I've done everything. I mean, really, I've done everything from movie trailers to beer commercials. I've done on-hold commercials. I've done some video game work, done some luxury car commercials. So really, it's kind of just been the span. I'm on several apps, even kids' toys. You'll hear my voice for some of those. So.
Oh, wait, I think they're done.
Do you really do infomercials?
I have done 1 or 2 in the past.
Oh, that's great. That's fabulous. And using that in this routine is wonderful. We just love that. You know, using stuff with a charging cable is a really great idea. You know, very few of us, I mean, I do, but very few of us have rope around our house. So doing rope tricks with a charging cable is a great idea. Rope tricks don't mean much anymore. This means everything. And the comedy was terrific. It's beautifully written, really fabulous, really wonderful all the way through. And as far as this charger thing, we have no idea how this works. And I'll also say, I'll add to that, I have no idea how a regular charger works on my phone. I have no idea how the apps on my phone work. I have no idea how the iPhone works. So this is exactly like that. We have no idea how it works, and I guess that's a fooler.
But Penn and Teller get a chance to redeem themselves when they do a trick of their own. Coming up next.